Hey guys, what's up? Sorry if I'm talking a little low. It's because baby is sleeping. You should be waking up here any minute now. Yeah, so I'm back with another packing video. This is perfect timing to do this video because we're going on like a 3-day vacation road trip to California, so not too far. We'll be staying in Costa Mesa for the Jujube warehouse sale, so stay tuned for my vlog. But yes, I'm so excited. First warehouse sale, and I will be going to the Pink Ladies get together as well, so I'm excited. I have no idea what to expect, but we're gonna just make a vacation out of it and go to the beach and have some fun, staying in a hotel. Normally when we go to California, I'm like with my mom, so yes, we're excited for that. So I wanted to do a packing video on my Be Prepared. This is the first time I'm using the Be Prepared, so it was a little difficult to pack. So this is packed strictly for my 8-month-old. It's not like packed as a diaper bag, but packed as like his suitcase or his duffel bag for all of his belongings. I of course have my separate diaper bag that's packed for that purpose and intended use, and that's my BRB that I'm bringing. I do have a packing video on that, so check it out. So if you guys want to see how I pack my Be Prepared, then stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, let's go ahead and start with the mommy pocket here. It looks like it's packed super tight, but I feel like I didn't pack a lot, so it could just be this bag. So in this front 2 clear pockets here, I have a small set piece, and this just has band-aids, hair ties, kind of like your first aid thing. And then I have a nose Frida here on the other side. I took it apart. I folded up the sunglass thing so it's out of the way because I'm not putting anything in there. In this pocket here, I just have nail clippers. This mesh pocket here is filled with any medication, just because he was sick the last couple of days, and he's a lot better, but you never know. I have Tylenol, I have gripe water for gas release, I have a nose saline spray, and his vitamin D with the syringe in there. And then I tuck the key holder in the mesh pocket so it's out of the way as well. Right below that, I just have Vicks, because like I said, it helps him sleep a lot better, and if he's not feeling well, we can rub this on his chest and under his nose. It's baby Vicks. On this side here, because we're gone for 3 days, we will be bathing him at the hotel, so I brought a little bottle of baby bedtime bath. I have a thermometer, my bum thingy, I don't know what it's called, but it's for diaper cream. And then I have diaper cream right beside that. So that is all in the mommy pocket. In the pocket right behind there, with the clasp, I don't have anything in there because I don't want to bulk it up. I just tucked the straps in there because I won't be using that. I'll just be using the messenger strap. I also don't have anything in the side pockets, but I probably will throw some of his toys in there. On this side, I just have a burp cloth. On the back side where the changing pad normally goes, I tuck the strap in there as well. And then all I have in here is just some, what's this? Baby Ganix toy table and high chair wipes, just in case we need to wipe anything down. And now let's move on to the inside of the bag, which is the main compartment. So that is how it's looking right now. So on this side of these mesh pockets, I have a washcloth for when we do bathe him, and then I have a dust bag. This I pack for myself, I pack for my husband, and now I pack for him because I use this for dirty laundry. So it's like perfect size for him. And then right on this side, in the smaller mesh pocket, I just have a pair of sandals for him. In all the other mesh pockets, I actually don't have anything packed in those. Like I said, I feel like I don't have this overly packed, but it looks stuffed. I have an extra swaddle blanket. I have one in the diaper bag too, but this one is just extra, just in case. I have a pair of shoes for him, more for pictures, not for really walking. And then now the rest of the bag, I just have a fuel cell and a large Be Organized and a medium Be Organized. So So all I have in the medium Be Organized are like, since we're gonna go to California and at night it gets really cold, I did pack, you know, some socks. I packed 2 long sleeves, a long sleeve sleeper, and then a jacket in there. Yeah, that's literally what all fit in this. It's awesome. And the reason why I love the Be Organized is that I mentioned it before, but it's super squishy and just kind of like molds to however you need to pack it, versus some of the set pieces are structured and don't really pack like too well. So I love the Be Organized for that. Now, this is what's so amazing. This is the large Be Organized. And guys, I have 7 outfits rolled up in this large Be Organized. So I have 3 12-month like rompers or onesies to go out in, of course, if it's like cooler weather. And then I have 3 outfits that have shorts and a t-shirt, and they're all like 9 to 12 months as well. And then I have a set of just an extra onesie to wear with any other shorts, just in case there's like an explosion or anything. But yes, 7 outfits fit in the large Be Organized, and it fits like pretty good. And then the last thing I have is my fuel cell in Toki Pops. This thing makes me so hungry. This just has his diapering needs in there. So I have 6 diapers in my BRB for when we go places. And then these are the extra diapers. I have, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 size 3 diapers in here. A disposable changing mat or changing pad. I have sunscreen, a couple of Band-Aids, a poopy bag for diapers. I have his butt cream for like prescribed butt cream, and some cotton swabs. But I can fit so much more in here if I needed to. I did overpack diapers for 3 days, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I have 13 in here and I have 6 in my BRB, because I'd rather not have to buy a whole pack if I have a lot of diapers at home. So I'd rather overpack diapers just in case. We do change them anywhere between like 5 to 7 times a day. So yeah. So literally that is all I have packed in my Be Prepared for a 3-day weekend in California for him. This is everything that he'll need. So that is all for my packing video. This will just sit right on top of our suitcase and be perfect. Oh, and he's up. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and thumbs up if you liked it. And if you want to see more packing videos or diaper bag reviews, comment down below for anything, and please hit that subscribe button, and we will catch you all later. Hey, can you give him a smile? There it is.